How to use the SnapMedia app so you can earn money. This has got to be the easiest way to earn money online with your smartphone. If you have not yet installed the SnapMedia app, then take a moment to download the SnapMedia app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Next, record lots of good quality videos with your smartphone. The more videos you record, the better chance of having a news agency or marketing company buy your videos. A quality video is a video where the smartphone is on a mini tripod, so the smartphone doesn't move or shake at all. You get paid for every video we sell for you, and the same video can sell multiple times. Your videos are for sale 24 hours a day, so check your account balance in the SnapMedia app often. Remember, if you only record a few videos, this decreases your chances of earning more money. So, download the SnapMedia app from Google Play or the Apple App Store, record lots of quality video, and don't let the smartphone move when recording video. Start recording now.